Hello, I'm going to talk today about Clementi Sonatina, Opus 36, number 3, in C major. This talk is inspired very much by my young student, 80 years old Lisa, who is absolutely wonderfully fluent in her scales, but gets very excited about particularly this place here. So I just wanted to go through details, so to kind of to style the performance in a steady pulse. Okay, here is Sonatina. So, this sonatina in C major, very important. There's a lot of sense of humor, okay? And what is important, just imagine the orchestra instruments. If we interpret piano texture for orchestra, so every instrument has a character. So try to hear the pulse very steady. It's like left hand. This kind of pulsation and the expectation what's going to happen next. And then so very clear melody. So of course, there's a lot of joy here, and so as a contrast, and in second line we have piano. So it's something going to happen. It's a dialogue between characters. So make sure that you take initiative, right hand, left hand, and then back, and then so we have long phrase here. Shows this register, this character, kind of important character. Could be even bassoon playing or brass, And of course, chords, it's like the orchestra all playing together. So I have to talk about structure as well. So classical sonatina or sonata has exposition, development part, and recapitulation. So in exposition, composer usually introduces two themes. One is active and the second is lyrical. So the active one is, and then so we come here to lyrical one, and you have dolces that are written. And the lyrical second subject in exposition would be written in a dominant key. So if we started in C major, so your lyrical part, second theme, would be in G major, and so we have here. So what is important here, contrast character, of course. Then this lyrical subject will be back in recapitulation part in the main key in C major, so pay attention to that. So it would be the same themes, the same melodies, but in a different keys. So in a different key. What is important here, give harmonic sense just by pressing pedal for the structure. Of course, in classical style, that Clementi is a composer who lived approximately the same time like Mozart and Beethoven, classical period, so we have stylistic regulations when the texture should have a clarity, so not too much pedal, but still it's nice that so if you but make sure that so you're not pedaling and you're not holding notes on those quaver rests in left hand, okay? Okay, so then we have these passages. Very important. You need to show the top note and as well as so when the passage starts back, changes direction. So we were in G major and suddenly we have here modulation into 6th key. So minor, relative minor, from G major to relative minor, E minor. And then again we are very happy and active into forte, so conclusion part, and so when after all passages, so that here's the conclusion. So do staccato notes. So imagine maybe it's bassoon playing, the orchestra instrument. Okay, so after that, so development part, that's where composer showing those two things in a different context or different shadows. Okay, for example, so here is the main theme, the first theme. So now the composer actually flipped it back, opposite, so from descendant, so he's now going ascendant and putting this theme into piano. So okay, and then we're going through different keys. For example, he goes here, the second page. So we go into C minor. So you have to be careful. The expectation, what's going to happen next is very unstable. And then so we back to. Now, lyrical part going to sound in C major, so as we return to the major key. Oh, sorry. So I just wanted to mention those details, and so hope you enjoy this music. It's wonderful, lots of characters. So enjoy the theater of this music. Okay, thank you.